Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan from Kotak Securities PCG Research. Today, again, we need to go through with the global cues as the Fed is expected to pause its rate hike in the today's meeting, and it is for the second time this year, while leaving the door open to another increase as early as November. Asian stocks are trading with mixed sentiments, however, most of them are down following Wall Street, and it's currently cautious ahead of the Fed action or Fed decision. 5 and 10-year notes or bonds rose to their highest levels since 2007. Brent is at $95 per barrel, which is a cause of concern. In brief, global cues are not supportive. For our markets, on Monday we saw higher opening, but later on the market failed to sustain the opening gains. Later on we saw some profit taking. The market managed to close above the levels of 20,100, but it was down from the highs. It failed to cross its previous day's highest levels of 20,222, which will invite some more selling pressure in the near term. From current levels, the Nifty can fall to the levels of 20,000 or maybe 20,040, where it has support. In case if we see the market is dropping to 20,000, then there or around those levels we should look for adding some positions with a stop loss at 19,900. The overall rally that we saw was much stronger than the rallies of last few days or few rallies, and that's the reason the strategy should be to buy if there is any correction close to 20,000 levels, but keep a stop loss at 19,900 for the same, because below 19,900 the index can extend its losses. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw profit taking at higher levels, but we saw activity in small size PSU banks, and they performed much better than the other banks. So there was also notable interest in festive stocks like Titan and some other companies like paint related companies and few auto companies. Broadly, there also the view is that we should be selective buyer in the market. For the Bank Nifty, 46,400 is going to act as resistance, which is the all-time highest level, and because we are reversing from those levels, again the Bank Nifty can retest the levels of 45,800 or 45,600. So close to 45,600 the Bank Nifty is having support, and there we need to see that whether the market is reversing or not. For the Nifty IT Index, there also we saw extreme sort of activity on the higher side. Now it is coming under some profit taking pressure. We may see some correction in the near term, but overall it should do well in the long run. So that's the overall view on the market and cues. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning broadcast. Thank you. Have a great day to all of you.